how to link Greendot to Cash App. So I've just logged into my Cash App account. We want to click on the profile icon in the top right. Now here we will scroll down until we see linked banks. So click on linked banks and then select the option to link a debit card. Now from this screen we will select no card, and here it's going to load up a list of the different banks that we can use. So click on continue. And if you don't see Greendot in this list, just simply search for Greendot and it should pop up here, Greendot prepaid debit card. Now it might have multiple Greendot options, so select the one that is fitted for your needs. So I'll do this one, and it's basically going to ask us to log in into our Greendot account. So log in into your Greendot prepaid debit card and type your credentials here. If we click on submit, then this is a Cash App. We'll use Plate to connect Greendot to Cash App. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.